Hi traders, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maddie B from BloomFX and I'm inviting you right now to have a look on my weekly analysis. Please give a like if you find all my ideas useful. I would like to start with EURJPY, and here we have also the weekly and the monthly chart. And I would like to say that if you remember, as I said last week's, EURJPY will climb in the next few days or stay in this area, okay? Just like I told you with EJ, if you remember. EURJPY made 6 green candles, okay? These are the candles I'm talking on the monthly chart, okay? Which has only happened twice in the last 15 years, okay? For now, I will be very reserved with this pair, and I will look for a massive sell in the first part of May, especially since the W was did. Well, this week, if we make a parallel between the charts of 1 week and 1 month, okay, so here we have the 1 week and 1 month, we can see that EURJPY pattern was formed in 2018, okay? In the 1 week chart, we observe that this is a very important area for EURJPY near to the future, okay? If you see in the left circle, this one here, any closure for 1 day over the green line, okay, this is the green line, or you can call it resistance, means an imminent climb in the area of 137,300, okay? However, if the month of May closed below 134.0.50, okay, then we can take into an account a very strong retreat movement, okay, up to 125 area, and then the price will go up again, okay? Anyways, it looks like it will be the first time in 15 years when EURJPY, let's say, that ends with 7 consecutive months on green. So we have only bullish candle, okay? Now we are waiting to see Monday how the candle is going to close, okay? Please give a like if you find my ideas useful, and please try to trade only if you have a confirmation. I would like to continue with Euro USD because this is again another currency pair that I would like to trade and have a look also next week, sorry. And here again we have the same on the weekly and the monthly chart. And this week, if we make a parallel between the charts, okay, the week and the 1 month, because the month of May closes, okay, Monday, we can see that on the 1 week chart, okay, the last 9 candles in the circle, these are the last 9 candles, sorry, in the circle 1, I wanted to say, have a structure identical to the 9 candles from the circle 2. So even if we'll make a small rise, okay, even if the price will go a little bit up, Euro USD will go down to close the M formed in the last period, okay? So I believe that the price will go up, reject from the resistance, and come down, and to create more like a double top, okay? On the 1 month chart, okay, we notice that it has rejected from the trend line, and if the month will close like this, okay, we will have a strong confirmation that the price will come down at least, I don't know, 400 pips. something like this. Please give a like if you find my idea useful, and I would like to continue with EURJPY. EURJPY, as I said last week, I will continue to follow a buy until the area of 0.88950, okay? But first I will wait for another rejection in the area of the trend line formed at 0.86400 area, okay? This week, EURJPY, it is in a range, not range, it's in a zone of consolidation and range between levels 618 and 786 Fibonacci, okay? But as the trend line shows, okay, because also we have a trend line, it means that our price is in an uptrend. So I do believe that the price, it may reject from here. This week I will look for a buy up to 0.87500 area, as long as it does not close for 1 day below the trend line, okay? So please have a look very carefully. That overlaps above the 786 Fibonacci level. So wait for the confirmation before you enter into the trade, okay? USDJPY, here we have the weekly chart. And again, I will repeat myself that, as I said last week, UJ, it went up, as I said, at the 109.800 area, from where it rejected strongly, and now I will look for a sell up to the Fibonacci 0.5 area, okay? And this week UJ went up, as I said last week, okay, and approached the trend line and rejected from the 109.800 area, where there is a very strong resistance, okay? So this is the resistance. Even if it will go up maybe 30-40 pips, it will reject from the trend line, because also here we have the trend line, and will go down to 107.800 area, or even to 106.800 area. From there, the price to continue to go up. So it's simple. We are waiting for the price to reject from this resistance, to come down, reject from this area where we have the Fibonacci 382, and from here the price to continue to go higher. It's more like we can consider it also like a retest, okay? So I'm expecting for the price to come down, make a retest, and come back up again. I would like to continue with GBP USD. And GBP USD, here we have the weekly and the monthly chart. If we make a parallel between the charts, the one with a week and the one with a month, because the month of May closes, we can see as in the both they are at the end of the W, okay, and expected an imminent descent. So I'm expecting for the price to reject from this area. If the month of May closes below 1.41800 area, I will look for a sell for at least, I don't know, 500, 700 pips, maybe, yeah, something like this, okay? If not, I will wait for a new climb up to the 1.43500 area, after which the price will go down again, guaranteed 1,000 pips, okay? You can see that on the 1 week chart, the bands formed in the circle have exactly the same configuration, okay? So really wait for Monday to see how the monthly candle is going to close, and then you can decide. And if you are trading this pair, GBP USD, then you can have a trade, okay? So don't trade without any confirmation. And please give a like if you find my idea useful. I would like to continue with GJ. And the GJ, this week, as I said last week, GJ has reached the 155,600 area, okay? Now, if we make a parallel again between the charts of 1 week and 1 month, because the 1 month of May closes, okay, we can see that GJ has reached the trend line, okay, forming in the 1 month and the 1 week. And from here, I expect a withdrawal movement for at least, I don't know, 700, between 700 and 1000 pips, okay? If it closed the month below 155.600 area, even if GJ will go up maybe 40 or maybe 50 pips this week, okay? I want to mention that the trend line format for GJ for 1 month is the most perfect trend line that we have ever drawn, and I expect it not to be extended at all, okay? And I will say that please give a like if you find my idea useful. Again, try to trade only if you have confirmation. I would like you to wait until Monday that the monthly candle is going to close, and like this you can have a straight direction. So trade only with a confirmation. Let me continue with gold. And the gold, I would like to say that, as I said last week, since March 21, gold climbing and extended to 1820, but rejected from the Fibonacci zone from 382, okay, from where even if maybe he will retest the Fibonacci zone of 0.5, he will continue his way towards 1880, okay, and even towards 1928. So this week, after 4 months in which all my analysis about gold were almost perfect, okay, this time I will look for my final target of 1920, okay. And if this target is extended even for 1 day, then I will go further towards 1957. So I really want to see what will happen Monday when the monthly candle is going to close, because I want to be straight with you, and you can also have a look from my last analysis on gold. The analysis were almost perfect. So who is trading gold, please have a look. Maybe my analysis is going to help you, and please try to trade only if you have confirmation. And again, please give a like if you find my ideas useful. I would like to continue with the last pairs because we still have 3. The Nasdaq. What I wanted to mention about this one, together with gold, have the highest occurrence in my analysis in the last 6 months. And as I said last week, and as I appreciated last week, Nasdaq has started a retracement move, and even if it goes down a bit around 13140, I will keep looking for a buy. So this week, as I appreciated, Nasdaq rejected strongly from the area of Fibonacci. From the Fibonacci 618 area, and it climbed it again strongly, okay. My target for the next period, it's still 13853 area, and from there with a little retracement, because remember, all the time the price is doing a retracement. I think that the price it may continue to climb, okay. So we are in an uptrend. I'm waiting for the price to go up a little bit, then to come down, make like a retest, and then to go up again. Please try to trade only if you have confirmation. Right now I would like to continue with DXY, and this week, exactly as I said, in the last 3 months, DXY rejected from the 786 Fibonacci level and went down, closing the Fibonacci chart that I drew 3 months ago, okay. From this area, I expect DXY to reject and start rebuilding the W, okay. Even I've been even if I was talking about this lately, so I'm expecting for the price to create like a double bottom, okay, or a W, you call it like you want, and from here the price to reject and to continue to go up. So this is what I'm expecting right now. And the last one, the Bitcoin. Here we have also the weekly and the monthly chart. And at the request of several traders, starting this week, I will make also analysis on Bitcoin. So this week, what I can say is that if we have a parallel between the charts of 1 week and 1 month, because the 1 month of May, it will close very soon, we can see the very strong support that formed on the 1 week chart, which is coincided with the Fibonacci 0.5 area. Okay, I'm trying to, oh, okay, perfect. So it's here, okay, with the 0.5 Fibonacci level, where it formed also in the 1 month chart. Okay, if May, if the month it's going to close below the 0.5 Fibonacci level, then the price will make a range in the green rectangular here. Okay, so this is going to be the range area. Okay, and the closure outside the green rectangular, okay, even for 1 day, I strongly believe that it will give the new trend for Bitcoin. I will update this chart on Tuesday, the 1st of June, after the 1 month, after the month it's going to close. So I'm going to come back with updates, but this is what I'm going to, this is what I believe, but I would like for this price to see where the candle is going to close, and like this I can give you a better direction. So if you find all my ideas useful, please give a like, give a comment. I am expecting you on my Telegram group chat, and there you can find what I'm doing and all my trades that I'm doing. I'm inviting you also on my new page and the official page of MADIB, which is MADIB BloomFX official. So this is the only official page that you will find it from me. And if I'm going here, as you can see in the picture, I put all my links from the YouTube and also my page from Instagram, and here you can follow my free signal channel. Here you have all the official links that they bring you exactly where they have to bring you, because I'm saying this because I found out that I have a lot of fake accounts, and I want to keep in touch with my traders, and you to keep in touch with the real one. So thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a pleasant weekend and a profitable week, and I will come back down with